We will study the climatic classification according to Koeppen. Before that, let us know some words. There is humidity. Humid can be perhumid, humid, and subhumid. So this is on the basis of if the rainfall is high, then it is perhumid. So here relative humidity will be higher and oxygen level will be kind of lower. Then if the rainfall is medium, then we call that region humid, and if the rainfall is low, then we call that subhumid. Medium means your 100 centimeter plus, and subhumid low rainfall 50 centimeter plus, less than 50 centimeter plus. Example of perhumid are the evergreen rainforest, uh, moist deciduous forest, as well as semi-evergreen forest, and even your evergreen forest are the part of humid region, and thorny and desert forest are the part of subhumid. So rainfall is higher for humid, if it is medium 100 plus humid, and if it is less than 50 subhumid. And we are aware that climate is of two types. It can be maritime, it can be continental, uniformity, variability, but it can also be dry and it can be wet. Dry if the evaporation is greater than precipitation. This region is moisture deficit. Your arid region and semi-arid region are part of dry climate. While wet climate, when precipitation is greater than evaporation, your moisture content is greater in the air. You are aware about the Siberian taiga or borean type of climate. Here the oil content in the leaves are more, hence it is most likely to cause forest fire, as well as their leaves are hard. As they are hard, it becomes very hard to decompose them, so it increases the acid level and causes the acidic soil. Now, one more peculiar feature about the UK is that it is island, it is away, so it has spent most of its time developing itself because it was not surrounded by neighbor nation, so it spent very less money on defense. You can add that point in your answer. And there are two regions where we have rainfall throughout the year. One is equatorial region, because there is ITCZ zone, trade winds blow from both sides, perpendicular sunlight, which causes uh, rising of air and cumulus nimbus cloud formation. The another is British type, because there is onshore westerlies throughout the year. There is even a statement saying that the climate in British is not climate but weather, because it is so unpredictable. Now let us focus on climatic region of the world according to the Köppen. So on the basis of vegetation and precipitation, he has classified precipitation included rainfall as well as temperature. So what he did, that we are aware about this classification system. So this 0 to 10, 30, 35, 66 and 90, this region he denoted by an alphabet A. This region is denoted by alphabet C. This region, sorry, this region by C, this region by D. Since both are temperate climate, this is a cool temperate climate, this is a hot temperate climate, and these are tropical region, we are aware about that. And E for polar region. So this D also denotes the continental type of climate, and C for this coastal and all this area. And your B, it exists between C and A. This desert climate and this savanna climate is your B type of climate. Now he denoted some small alphabets like F. F means no dry climate, rainfall throughout the year. So where it is found? It is found at equator. So we are aware that this is the equatorial climate. So we can denote A and your F as your equatorial climate. Then S for dry summer. We all are aware that your Mediterranean type of climate, it receives rainfall in the winter, so it has dry summer, so you can use C S for your Mediterranean climate. Then W for dry winter. So savanna climate is fixed dry and fixed hot period. So savanna is here. So A, winter is dry. Then H is hot climate. Then K is cold climate. And your M is monsoon type of climate. Your W is arid type of climate. Your capital S is semi-arid type of climate. Your T is for tundra type of climate. And if the M is along with small w, this is monsoon type of climate with short winter. I will explain how. So now, as you can see, your monsoon climate, you can denote it by A because it is here, and M for monsoon type of climate. So your coastal regions, this is India. Your coastal regions, they have shorter winter because there is range variabilities plus minus 5, so winter are short, so you can write them as A M W, while continental have long winters like your Delhi. So this is done. Your tundra region, the cold deserts are actually not, you represent them by T for tundra type of climate and E for the polar regions of Ladakh. Now arid and semi-arid climate. Now as you are aware, this is Rajasthan and parts of Gujarat. This region is Marusthali, which is a arid region, which is a hot desert. So the alphabet for it will be B for desert, right? W for arid region, H for hot. So BWH, here cactus is prominent. H for hot and W for arid. Now in this region, some part of Gujarat, here it is semi-arid. Still B, semi-arid S. It is hot H. This is known as steppe. Thorny forest is found over here. As this is steppe grassland, the buffaloes in Haryana, Punjab, east of Rajasthan, some part of Gujarat are very famous because they have shorter, nutritious grass because of the steppe grassland present in India. So we know if the desert is cold, you can just write K, right? Cold desert B, arid K, hot desert B W H, right? Now the Tamil Nadu is a peculiar, it receives rainfall in winter, so it has dry summer, so you can write AS for Tamil Nadu. We're done over here. Then